We'll guide you through how to view all installed apps on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is interesting and useful to be able to do because you can then go and see the different apps you've got. You could go and potentially uninstall and delete them there. You can go and check out other storage and data information there. And you could go and see their permissions and other things as well. So make sure it's this full guide. To get started, swipe up. We need to go and find our settings. You can search at the top of settings, or you can swipe across and find settings and tap there. When you're in your settings, what you then want to do is go and start scrolling down. You want to go and find the option for apps. As you can see, there it is. You can then go and tap there. They're then going to go and load. Now, if you're struggling to go and find this, you could try searching in the top right for apps as well by clicking that magnifying glass. This will bring you to the app list here. It may take a moment to load when you do this for the first time, or we haven't done it for in a while. I've recently done it, sort of preloaded. But you can then scroll down the list and go and see the apps here. So you can go and see them. So you could come into a app if you wanted to. So let's go and say I wanted to come into GuideRealm here. At the bottom, I could open it, uninstall it, and force stop it. There are some privacy options here, some defaults, some usage, and I could check out the app details here as well. So for example, I could come into storage here and I could go and press the clear cache in the bottom right. It's already been cleared, but you can go and clear the data as well. What you could also do is I could uninstall it as well if I wanted to. Press back and I could go and continue, come down the list and go and do that. Another way you can do this is you can go and swipe up and you can actually access your apps from your app pages here. So you can go and see them all. And what you can also do is you can go and tap on hold on one of these and you can go and add it to the home if you wanted to. So that's it. That is how you can go and view them all. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.